Hello, boys and girls. Just me, Wine Monkey, and Cal are going to repair my pocket watch, I hope. I had to gag Cal, unfortunately. He was getting a little lippy with the language, and Wine Monkey, as you may know, speaks to me through telepathy. Yay! I got it open earlier. It's not always the funnest thing to get open. I was very distraught most today because, well, actually, not till lunch. I dropped this morning and realized at lunch, because I always put it in front of me, that it was broken. And I'm going to try to I'm trying to figure out exactly how to fix this. I'm thinking if I can take this screw out. Let's see, right tight, left loosen. So maybe I'm loosening it or not. It shouldn't be too hard. I thought I did this before, and it's just getting the actual screw out, really. Because I just have to basically bring this off, then put the face back on. I'm hoping it will come out. I've had ones in the past where I had to take them apart. I don't know if I've ever taken this one apart. I'm hoping I don't have to take it to like a jeweler and have to do this. La 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 la. That's the Smurf song. Oh well. It's being a pain, boys and girls. I'm rather distraught because I use this like a lot, and the fact it's not wanting to work really bums me out. Yay! I know I had taken it apart before. Not this far apart. Yeah, I had dropped it this morning, and ooh, the one's even just sitting there. That's rather entertaining. Yeah, you just put this basically like this. This goes through here somewhere. Yeah. Got the first part. You put the second part. You're dealing with pretty tiny holes, really. You could actually probably just put it down. I know my hands are in the way. None of my stuff's perfect. And then this has a little hole, or a little piece that you just have to basically lay right down in there. And I hope it will stick in there. I have to grab this. This is very depressing. I like this watch. It's nice. That's the bad part about the pocket watches. You don't find them many places, so you gotta when you find a really good one, like I found. I got this out of Sears and Eastgate, where I used to work out by. Technically, does one really need a second hand? Not really. But that is one of the intricate parts, I think, about keeping the hands together in general-ish. It's actually bent. I don't like that. Oh. Dealing with very, very delicate stuff here. Really need probably like some type of like jeweler's stuff. Oh, did it fit? Well, it may be down for the count, boys and girls. Except for I can take it to a watch repair. I'm sure this is probably a very simple fix-it for somebody whose living is a watchmaker. Interestingly enough. This is one of my more action-packed videos I take. I was so hoping to be able to fix this. I do have a clock on my cell phone, actually. I can utilize that. I actually just have to charge my cell phone. My charger in the fuse area in my car likes to blow out for some odd frickin' reason. It's weird. Everyone put it in a higher, like, charged fuse, and it blows out. Well, boys and girls, I think I'm blank out of luck here. Yeah, because that one's fine, because it's fair. I hear blue jays outside. Love my blue jays. They're great. One of the best birds. They're mimics. I love mimics. I love the ability to, it's part of a shape-shifting. It's part of being a shaman, being able to mimic, really run games on people for lessons' sake. Some people, if they're like not correct in the head, don't learn the lessons. Or they try to learn them and then use them against me, which, good luck. Good luck. I knew when I dropped this morning. I've been dropping stuff a lot lately. Dropped my compost lid. But I do so much of it just, like, in front of me, just, like, I don't know, it's just, I've got to a point where I don't really, you just do things. You're like, okay, blat, okay, whatever, oh well. A failed attempt at fixing my watch.